Hey guys, so I'm just sitting here babysitting some ribs. You want to see them? If I keep opening it, they're never going to be done. It's a nice pullback starting to happen here. They're about 165. Wait until they get, oh, it's all, whoop, geez, that was the wrong button. There we go. Waiting for them to get about 190, 195 so we can eat them. Of course, they're safe to eat now. Anything over 145 safe to eat. But wanted you guys to know that I started doing Instagram, and my daughters are showing me how to do it. I didn't think I was that old, but apparently they know how to do things better than I do on Instagram. So anyway, look for me on Instagram, Mr.HomeOwner. Put a link below in the description. But I'm going to start posting some photos and things on there, short videos and whatnot. I don't know what you're allowed to do, but I'll have stuff on the Weber there, stuff on the Blackstone, whatever else I think of. So follow me on Instagram. It'll be a good time.